treasure and gold. Soon may the pirate chain come to bring us crypto, gold, and rum. One day when the system is done, we'll take our treasure and gold. Once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was privacy. The winds blew hard and fear dipped down below me, crypto boys blow.
Advanced privacy protocol that can't be compromised. Transactions anonymous and privatized. zk-SNARKs here to shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. This day and age I can't get no privacy. Everything I'm being told sound like a lie to me. I don't care, you can do what you want. I'd rather feel safe and secure than on the run. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction.
Soon may the pirate chain come to bring us crypto, gold, and rum. One day when the system is done, we'll take our treasure and gold. There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was privacy. The winds blew hard and fear dipped down below me, crypto boys blow. There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was privacy. The winds blew hard and fear dipped down below me, crypto boys blow.
Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. This day and age I can't get no privacy. Everything I'm being told sound like a lie to me. I don't care, you can do what you want. I'd rather feel safe and secure than on the run. This day and age I can't get no privacy. Everything I'm being told sound like a lie to me. I don't care, you can do what you want. I'd rather feel safe and secure than on the run.
What's up, everybody? This is the monthly update for this month. I'm Daniel. DeJohn's here on Discord, Telegram, and other places. And thank you for showing up, everybody. Forge hopefully is going to be dropping in here in a little while. But while we wait on him to tell us about the new wallet update, I will go over a few other things that we have to talk about today. First thing I wanted to mention was the Liber Poco event that happened this past week in Serbia. It was on September 5th through 7th. Pirate Chain sponsored it. It's a Liberland event called Liber Poco. It's the first ever, and Pirate Chain was able to sponsor it. We had our logo displayed on their badges and around the conference, and we were pretty happy they reached out to us to help support their conference. We are also the same people that run Anarcho-Poco, and which Pirate Chain will be sponsoring next February. I don't think they have the dates out just yet, but we will have some representation there, so make sure to go check out tickets. It's down in Acapulco. Hotels are pretty cheap. It's a nice little vacation in the middle of winter up here in the US. So come hang out with us at Anarcho-Poco, and we thank those guys for letting us sponsor them at Liber Poco as well. The Pirate Chain's soccer team, or football team, depending on where you are, Velez Sarsfield, is moving forward as a finalist in the Monero Cup. We're in Group C. We've won 2 of our games and we tied 1. We're one of the better teams in the competition. If you aren't familiar with the Monero Cup, it's a soccer tournament in Argentina where a lot of local soccer teams are participating, and different privacy projects sponsor different teams, and the Pirate Chain team is doing really well this year. The next game is on Sunday, October 13th. It's streamed on YouTube. You can just search Copa Monero on YouTube and you'll be able to find the live streams of that. We got Pirate Chain's logo displayed up in the corner where it shows the team score and in their official photos and stuff, and we're really proud of our boys out there playing their hearts out. The winner of the competition gets a nice bag of Monero for their whole team. We're pretty stoked to sponsor that. It's part of our Monerotopia sponsorship, which Monerotopia is in Mexico City, November 14th through 17th. And we will have a booth there, and there'll be quite a few pirates there. representing Pirate Chain to a community that already understands the importance of privacy. We're pretty excited to have some representation there, and we're really hoping we'll get a lot of pirates to turn out there. Come hang out at the booth with us and hand out some swag. And if you have never been to Monerotopia, it's a really cool event. Everybody's on the same page as us. They understand the importance of privacy and having a 100% shielded chain. And so it's our kind of people, and we need to do more reaching out to them to show the differences between Monero and Pirate Chain and what we have to offer over here. So come hang out with us. Tickets aren't too expensive. They're only like $100. They're in Mexico City, November 14th through 17th. We're pretty stoked about that one. And we're coming up on the holiday season, and here in the US, it's a really big shopping season. So at Pirate Chain, we like to really use that time of year to highlight all the people selling goods and services for Pirate Chain. We're going to have an event we're either called Pirate Black Friday or Support Our Merchants is what we called it last year. So we're calling out to all the vendors and merchants out there who already accept Pirate Chain or who would like to. You can always reach out to me or anyone else on the team or even anyone in the community. It's not that hard to, get listed on Armada, our merchant directory, and, to set up a wallet or set up a payment gateway to start accepting Pirate Chain. And we would love to help you do that. If you want to make any products to sell, if you already make them or if you want to make them specifically for this event, you can reach out to the team. We're trying to highlight different vendors and merchants on the official Twitter account and other official social medias. So if you have a business that is accepting Pirate Chain, make sure to let us know. We'll get some cool graphics made. We'll share it from the Twitter account, and as a community, we'll all share it and try to get you guys some business. So we find that what makes Pirate Chain different than a lot of projects out there is that we're trying to actually be a peer-to-peer currency that gives you absolute privacy, and it's important that we lean on that. And this being the biggest holiday shopping season of the year, and the fact that we have so many great products out there that are perfect for giving gifts around the holiday season on Armada, we were really calling out everybody is, not just hold your Pirate Chain, get out there and use it. Help build the private economy, help us really build something that can be meaningful here, and that involves using your Pirate Chain to buy stuff. It's incredibly cheap, it's quick, it's easy to use, and it gives you absolute privacy. And we also have services where you can, order off Amazon using Pirate Chain, like Monazon. I don't remember their website off the top of my head, but you can just Google Monazon, like Amazon and Monero put together, and they accept Pirate Chain to order anything you can imagine off of Amazon. So you're literally, the sky's the limit here. You can buy so many things with your Pirate Chain. Go out there and discover how easy it is to use Pirate, how convenient it is, and how we give the absolute privacy out of the box. It's incredibly easy to use. There's no crazy settings or any loopholes you have to jump through to gain privacy in your transaction. It happens automatically with Pirate Chain. So if you aren't using your Pirate Chain, you're just wasting it. Your privacy is only good if you're using it. So go out there and support our merchants. Go to armada.com. There's so many great products on there you could buy. I buy them all the time. So let's get out there and support our merchants and really build an ecosystem here we can be proud of. Now, I'm still waiting on Forge to show up here. He's supposed to be here to talk about the new wallet update. He must have got busy. But if you guys, give me just a second, I need to take a drink real quick. If you guys haven't noticed, you should have by now, there's a new wallet update for Treasure Chest 5.9.0. It's a mandatory update that you're going to have done before October 3rd. This update is mainly just to keep us on track with Komodo and our DPoW that we use through them. They have notary node elections every year, and so they elected new notary nodes for our DPoW service that we use for them. So this is just an update basically to give the keys for the DPoW to the new notary nodes. I wish Forge was here to explain. He could explain it a little bit better, but there's really nothing that should be changing as far as usability. On the user end, everything will be the same. This is just an update to keep our DPoW working. So it is a mandatory update, but you won't see much difference in it. This is not the Orchard upgrade. That hasn't happened yet. Forge is still hammering away on that, and he's made quite a few cool updates to that. But he's been focusing on this latest wallet updates because it's mandatory. We have to do it to keep our DPAL working. So let me see if I can reach out to Forge and see if he's going to be here or not. Sorry. Well, I guess I'll just give him a little bit more time. I'll keep talking here. We are really trying to hammer down on our marketing, and we could use all the help we could get. So if there's anybody out there who can help us make graphics for our holiday marketing efforts, we could really use the help. We really want to be pushing stuff on Twitter every day, and it's really important to have graphics on Twitter. Video editing would also be incredibly helpful. We already have some people helping us out, but you know, the more the merrier. We'd love some more hands on deck for the marketing. So there's already a lot of cool Twitter accounts out there and a lot of community members that are already out there pushing Pirate Chain. If you guys would like to coordinate with us and we could all, you know, be really pushing the same message at the same time, come hang out with us on our weekly community calls. They're every Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern time here on Discord. And, you know, there's always some team members in there. Me and Amy are in there. Forge drops by quite often. But that's where we've been organizing a lot of our community marketing campaigns. So if you want to come organize with us and you want to get to know us a little bit more and find out how you can help, come join our community calls every Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern. We could definitely use all the help we could get in there. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, we have you know, new logos and new color themes you can see from our website. If you go and look at piratechain.com, the new website. We're going for a new marketing image. Not that the old one was bad, but it's just important as a brand to, you know, make subtle changes like that so people can see we're moving forward as a brand, as a project, that we're not, you know, stagnant. And so we're just, we revamped our marketing just to represent, you know, the next stage of Pirate Chain that we're at right now. So you can find, like, we're using the P logo primarily as the main logo for Pirate, and we haven't been using we've kind of retired the ship logo. And we've been using this black one you can see in the Discord and in the Telegram image. We really like to see people using those, and we're trying to really focus in on, like, not necessarily the pirate aspect of Pirate Chain, but like the technical aspects of it. So I don't know, we're just changing the whole image, and we'd like to see more people come participate in that. So if you want to learn more about that, you can talk to our guy who's helping us on marketing, Steve, Quirky Robots. A lot of you guys know him. Unfortunately, he can't make he's on the other side of the world, so the time for these monthly meetings don't work well for him. But you can find him in Discord all the time, and he's easy to reach out to if you're putting out anything promoting Pirate Chain. He's a great person to run it by, and he'll give you tips. He has lots of knowledge about AI and how to use AI to create images and create text and stuff like that. So if you are out there creating memes, creating graphics, pushing Pirate Chain in any way, reach out to Steve for help. He's Quirky Robots here on Discord, and he's a great help, and he really spends a lot of time helping us hammer in on the details of that kind of stuff, and he knows what he's talking about. He has a lot of experience in marketing. So let's see. I'm hoping Forge will show up. I think it's showing he's online now. Let's see if he'll be in here. So yeah, we'll give him a few more minutes. You know, a lot of people have been asking about pirate decks. I know we've been, you know, teasing you guys with that for a while now. I think the decision right now is to wait until after the Orchard upgrade to release it, just because we'd have to upgrade it immediately afterwards anyways, so it seems like it makes most sense. And they're hammering in on final few touches, and we have a few more decisions to make about it, but it still is in the works. I'm sorry we led you guys on and made you think it was coming a while ago and hasn't came yet. We didn't mean to do that, but we still are hammering away on it, and we'll let you know as soon as we have some updates on that. And in the meantime, there are already Pirate Chain atomic swaps on Komodo Wallet, and they've been there for years, and they work great with hundreds of different pairs. So if you want to learn about how these type of atomic swaps work to get ready for pirate decks to come out, go download Komodo Wallet, I have a desktop version, mobile version, and a web wallet, and all three have Pirate Chain. So go download that and do some Pirate Chain atomic swaps. There's pretty decent liquidity on there. It's easy to use. It's complete self-custody, and it's real DEX. Nobody else has access to your coins at any time. You hold the keys to all the wallets. So it works great as just an everyday light wallet for multi-coin light wallet. But you can also do secure real atomic swaps right in there. If you haven't used atomic swaps yet, then you're behind the curve in blockchain development. They're incredibly important. Having real decentralized currencies, having a decentralized place to buy and sell them is essential. And Komodo wallets did them first, and they've done them best. They've done them for a long time. I've used them hundreds of times for multiple coins. Absolutely no issues with it. So if freedom, decentralization, is important to you, you really need to be using atomic swaps. So at least go test them out. Go download Komodo wallet and swap some Bitcoin for Pirate Chain or vice versa, whatever you want. It works great. And it's easy to use. And any questions you have, you can go over to the Komodo Discord, and there's some incredibly smart people over there. They have a great community. And some really, really smart guys over there. So if you have any questions about it, you can go and talk to them. So if you want to get used to how these atomic swaps will work and how Pirate Decks will work, go check out Komodo wallet. And let's see. Hopefully Forge still running late. I'm sorry, something must have come up for him. Yeah, hopefully we'll give him a few more minutes here. I'm sure he just got busy. He's a busy dude. He's had a lot on his plate lately between Orchard and this latest Komodo update, so we appreciate everything he does. Let's see, does anybody else have anything I want to mention? You can, or anybody want to come on stage? Oh, Crypto Rich is raising his hand here. How do I accept his request to speak? I'm sorry, I'm trying to get you on stage here, Rich. Huh. Can you bring him on? Oh, there we go. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing, Rich?
I'm doing good. I'm glad I finally managed to make one of these meetings.
Nice. We're happy to have you here.
Yeah. I just thought while we're waiting for Forge, for my benefit and perhaps the benefit of others, just give us a quick overview of Orchard. What is this Orchard upgrade?
Oh, Orchard is the new pool that we're moving to that will get rid of the trusted setup. I don't know if or what's called the trusted setup. When Pirate Chain when Zcash was first launched, which Pirate Chain is a fork of Zcash, in order to launch, they had a signing ceremony where 72 different participants had to. Yeah. So they had a signing ceremony where 72 participants all got their own keys, basically. And this is a criticism we get of Pirate Chain a lot, and that if all 72 of those individuals colluded, they could possibly break the anonymity of zk-SNARKs. Now, most of those individuals all claim to have destroyed their keys, and it's highly unlikely that any of them, that all 72 of them would have colluded. And famously, one of those signatories was Edward Snowden. I don't know, a lot of people have a lot more trust in it because they trust Edward Snowden, but he was one of the signers. But basically, we are moving to a new pool that we will not be using that ceremony anymore. It's called the trusted setup, or a lot of people call it a trusted setup. But it will remove that. It won't really change the way Pirate Chain works at all. It'll still work the same for everybody. But that is a criticism that we have, and it is somewhat legitimate criticism. And so after this, that particular FUD will, not be useful for them anymore. So it's really important decentralization. We're happy to be moving in that direction.
Great. Thank you, DeJohns. I remember now. I remember because we recorded a video a couple of months ago.
Yeah.
You mentioned it. I'd forgotten. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
and Forge is making a lot of changes to it. He's not just, copy pasting it. He's like he does with absolutely everything. He makes it better, and he's doing with the same thing with Orchard. And so he's really hammering away on it and doing a great job. So I wish he was here to explain himself, but something must have came up. So
He's probably somewhere hammering away under the blockchain.
right,
Doing a great job.
yeah. So yeah, he's making quite a few changes to it. So it's not it's not something simple. It's a big project for him. He's getting rid of the unified addresses, and Pirate won't, which Zcash has and Pirate won't have. He finds them unnecessarily confusing, which I guess I probably agree with him. Forge just makes everything better. He really is incredible. There's a lot of cool things he's done to our wallets and stuff that a lot of people don't see behind the scenes unless you really dig deep into the code and stuff. But he's really, Treasure Chest really is the gold standard of privacy wallet. He really has created the best wallet out of absolutely everything. All your data's absolutely encrypted when you're using it, and he's done a phenomenal. And I like the UI a lot too. I find it incredibly usable, and I just think he's done a great job. So, there's a lot of things behind the hood that most layman users of Pirate Chain don't even realize. But he's checked absolutely every box, and he takes the security very seriously, and he doesn't leave anything that could be possibly vulnerable. We are
Right.
incredibly lucky to have Forge. Like, he is the man. He really is. So, and I wish he was here to explain himself a little bit better, but we'll do something else.
Well, is Steve here? Because if it's okay with you, DeJohns, I could speak to Steve publicly.
Steve, no, he's probably asleep. Steve's in Australia, so he's probably sleeping right now. That's
Right.
why he can't ever make these meetings, because it's like 2 in the morning there right now or something like that, or 5 in the morning. So, but if you message him here on Discord, he's not on Telegram. I know you're on Telegram a lot. He doesn't like Telegram, so he's not on there. If you message him here on Discord, he always responds, and he'll jump on a call with you, anytime you're free, really.
Okay, no worries.
He spends a lot of time on Pirate Chain, so he will make the time for you to talk if you need to. And he's really smart. He knows what he's doing in a lot of areas, He's worked in marketing before, and he's taught me a lot. I know I'm learning a lot, and he's just spending a lot of his time with us, so we really, really appreciate him. He's doing a lot, so yeah, you two should definitely get together.
Just on the marketing, I interviewed a lead dev of another project the other day, and the thing that struck me about this project, I'm not going to name it because I'm here for Pirate Chain, is the guy's got a background in sales. And I thought, oh bloody hell, that gives this project an edge because he knows how to sell. He naturally does it, which could explain this project's success.
Yeah, it is a good good skill, so doing something like marketing a cryptocurrency is somewhat difficult because it's not a product we're selling. We're not directly making money on. If I was selling a car to someone, I'd want them to buy, give me all their money, buy as many cars as they want, because I have faith that I'm selling good cars at a good price or whatever. But Pirate Chain, a lot of people, in any cryptocurrency, it's like we're not a business. We're not trying to make money ourselves, and it's makes it, I don't know, makes it an interesting thing to try to market.
Yeah.
But yeah, having background in sales like Steve does and marketing was really, really helpful. So I know I've learned a ton. Hey, Forge, you made it. Awesome.
So sorry I'm late.
Oh, you're good. We a few other things to talk about anyways. So I kind of gave people a general overview of 5.9.0, but you could definitely do a better job. So you can go ahead and jump in whenever you're ready.
Oh, well, there's not really much to talk about. It's just a deep how season 8 hard fork. So all of the Komodo notary nodes will be updating as of October 4th. So that means that we need to do a hard fork to get their keys into our code base. So everybody just needs to update their treasure chest by October 4th. And that's it.
All right,
That's the update.
awesome. Yeah, this is just to keep our depow going with Komodo. So, and this is just for treasure chest. If you're using a light wallet, you don't have anything to worry about. No update at this time, just for the people at treasure chest. And it has to be done by October 3rd. It is a mandatory update. So yeah. Is there anything else you wanted to talk about, Forge?
No, not right now.
Does anybody have any questions for him? All right, awesome. Well, thanks for dropping in, Forge. Does anybody else have anything they need me to mention? You can drop it in the chat. All right, did you have anything else to add, Rich?
No, thank you so much. Glad I made this.
All right, awesome. Yeah, we do it this second Monday of the month at the same time every month. So we'll be doing it again 1 month from now. Thank you, everybody, for showing up. Make sure to come join us on our community calls every Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. We'd love to have you there. We're going to be announcing a Twitter space soon, so keep an eye out for that. And, of course, we'll be doing this monthly update again 1 month from today. So come join us then. Thanks for showing up, everybody. We'll see you next month. Remember, your privacy is your freedom. Join us here at Pirate Chain and take it back. Have a great day.
Great. Thank you. Bye-bye, everybody.
To bring us crypto golden rum. One day when the system is done, we'll take our treasure and go. Once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was privacy. The winds blew hard and fear dipped down below me, crypto boys blow.
Advanced privacy protocol that can't be compromised. Transactions anonymous and privatized. zk-SNARKs here to shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. This day and age I can get no privacy. Everything I'm being told sound like a lie to me. I don't care, you can do what you want. I'd rather feel safe and secure than on the run. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction.
Soon may the pirate chain come to bring us crypto golden rum. One day when the system is done, we'll take our treasure and go. There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was privacy. The winds blew hard and fear dipped down below me, crypto boys blow. There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was privacy. The winds blew hard and fear dipped down below me, crypto boys blow.
Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. Can't be compromised. Anonymous and privatized. To shield transactions. Pirates got that satisfaction. This day and age I can get no privacy. Everything I'm being told sound like a lie to me. I don't care, you can do what you want. I'd rather feel safe and secure than on the run. This day and age I can get no privacy. Everything I'm being told sound like a lie to me.